In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a touch of cinematic flair to your footage using the directional blur effect in your video editing software. Let's dive in and explore how you can create a dynamic and visually appealing motion blur effect that enhances your video projects. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Effects panel in your editing software. This panel is essentially your toolbox for adding creative modifications to your footage, whether you're looking to adjust colors, add transitions, or, as we're about to do, incorporate directional blur. Once there, use the search bar function to find the directional blur effect. It's quick and straightforward. Just type in the name and let the software pull it up for you. Once you see it, click and drag the directional blur effect onto the clip you wish to enhance on your timeline. With the effect now applied to your clip, it's time to move over to the Effect Controls panel. Here, we'll set the direction and blur length, which are key attributes for the motion blur. The direction, often referred to as the angle of motion, determines the path along which the blur will occur. Essentially, this angle defines the axis in which your blur will stretch. So think about the movement in your shot. Is it going from left to right, top to bottom, or perhaps diagonally? Use this directional value to align the blur in a way that complements that movement. Next, adjust the blur length, which controls how much blur you apply. Start with small adjustments and see how the visual output changes. The right amount can add that smoothness and artistic effect you're going for, while too much might obscure details you want to keep visible. At this point, you might find that the footage has motion moving across frames. For example, a car zooming across the screen. In such instances, it's crucial to ensure the blur remains aligned with this motion path for a seamless effect. This is where using a mask comes in handy. Create a mask around the area of interest and align it with the object's shape. And because that object probably isn't static, you'll want to track the mask as it moves. Thankfully, most software offers robust tracking tools, automating frame-by-frame adjustments. This process keeps the blur consistently aligned with the moving subject. And there you have it, a step-by-step way to enhance your clips with the directional blur effect. It's all about experimenting with the direction and blur length settings to suit your specific scene and ensuring consistent alignment when dealing with motion across the frame. With these tips, you'll be able to add polish and production value to your video projects. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.